Hello again, this is Dave Monix, and today I'm going to show you this video on how to send out a video conference appointment using your email and Skype for Business. So what I'm going to do first is I'm in my email, I'm going to go to my calendar, and when I go to calendar, if you have a specific time that you want it set, you can select that time, and then right up here you have new Skype meeting. So if I click on this, it opens up a new window, and this is where I can invite the people I want. So I can invite people within our NEISD district, or I can send it to people outside of the district. A couple of things. In order to set up the meeting, I do have to make sure that I have my Skype for Business open. And the other thing is, if I send it to somebody who doesn't have maybe a Skype for Business account, they must at least have the device, or the device they're going to use must at least have the app or the program installed. And I'll show you how you can get around not actually having an account. But anyway, I would fill that out, and I could hit send, and it would show up in their email, and then they'd be able to click on it and enter. But if you have somebody who maybe doesn't have a Skype for Business account, maybe they have an iPad, they can download the app. And right here, when I hover over it, is the actual link that you're going to use. And what I can do is I can actually copy this as well. So I can click copy hyperlink, and then I could paste it into something else. So if I do Control V here, this is the actual link that would open up into that meeting. So if I had somebody who was outside of NEISD, they would still be able to join by either sending them this link or sending them that email, as long as they open it up on a device that has the program installed or the app. And when it does open up, it's going to ask them just to join the meeting. They won't actually have to sign in. But hopefully this is something that you'll be able to use. If you have any questions, then contact your ITS.